Starting off today in 310. Actually, we're one over in 311. That is one interesting EV. So this is a Polestar. And if I remember, I think this one is made by Lucid, if I remember correctly. I'll have to look that up. But yeah, that's pretty cool. Good morning, or is it afternoon?
Morning still.
Ah.
It's
What
11.
time is it? 11?
Yeah.
So yeah, it is 11 o'clock in the morning. We are over at Epcot for a fun day. D23 just is going on, and we're going to get into that too. Of course, about some broken promises as well from the past. But let's go have some fun and let's go show some stuff off. So this is actually new. I've not seen this before. Breakfast and tours. Okay, I gotta admit, this camera is pretty darn cool. It's still giving me a little bit of, but it's not a bad camera at all. I've actually been kind of enjoying the portability of it. I know, it's weird saying that.
That's what everybody likes about it.
Okay, so before we go into Club Cool, we're gonna go into the Creations shop and check out all the new merch. You know Tiffany and her Halloween. Almost as bad as Christmas.
I like Christmas more.
Alright. Starting off, that is a pretty cool outfit. That would look amazing on Tiffany, especially with the leggings like that. She would look so adorable in that. And, not to mention, you gotta have a cool tumbler to go with it. Tumbler is only $49.99, and it's officially Starbucks too. Now, if you love Loungefly, they do have you covered for that. It's a bit sparkly. It's more peach / strawberry lemonade looking.
Right, it's candy corn.
It looks more strawberry lemonade.
No, it looks like orange and yellow, like candy corn.
It looks more strawberry
It
lemonade.
looks like candy corn.
Strawberry lemonade. You tell me what you think. And of course, you can also pick up Zero. Zero is now one of those little shoulderkins, I think.
I
Yeah.
had them out for a little bit now.
Now, on the other hand, if Halloween isn't your time yet, and you still prefer summer, take a look. Nice cool waist pack. Awesome little bag, little purse thing.
Loungefly. Same. It should be. Yeah, it is.
And look, back to school in style.
Okay, I do like that backpack.
Now,
Oh, look.
if you want to just have a small bag, Loungefly.
Ryan, did you see this?
That is pretty cool. $88.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, if you want to really challenge yourself, wear a sweatshirt in summer in Florida,
Even in winter, it's still.
which we will get into a Villain's Land.
What's the front of it?
Okay, that's pretty cool. Now, there is one thing that you will more than likely need if you come today, and that is a good rain jacket. Alright, now this would be a cool shirt for Tiffany at only $34.99. So, take a look at this, okay? We have Ariel in her animated form. We have Trident, and then we have Ursula. And we also got a cool little set here, okay? And that's all included. Now you would think something like this would go for maybe $49.99, maybe $59. But no. $99.99. Or you can get this set here where it's got pretty much all the Disney ladies. And look, are you ready for the price reveal? Yes, $129.99. Alright, out of all the cups here, I love this one the most. Look at this, you got Mexico Pavilion, you got Norway with Olaf, you got Spaceship Earth, you got Figment, you got Mickey Mouse. It all looks so cool. Alright, let's try to get into Club Cool now. And now we'll drop in on Walt Disney and say hi. Hydration, hydration, hydration. I cannot say that enough. When you come to the parks, take advantage of their free cups of ice water and make sure that you get some water.
I have to admit, this year in Florida has been hotter than I've ever felt it before. I swear.
It has been, and it really sucks. But remember, quick service places, all of them, they have water cups. So use that to your advantage and get free cups of water. Don't waste your money on the $5 bottles of water unless you really want to. Overall, it's actually been a pretty quiet day over here. And what's interesting is that usually this area here is known as the bottleneck because everybody will crowd around right in here and just stop dead center. But yeah, nobody.
It's so empty out here. This is crazy.
And now to get ready for Ratatouille. Now, if you remember, this area was also part of the D23 expansion concept, and it turned out pretty good. It doesn't look bad at all. I like how it came about. I do like how the Skyliner does pass over this area. I do think that looks pretty darn cool. Ratatouille has to be one of our favorite rides in Epcot, besides Frozen. That's the only ride that's better, in my opinion. I was about to say, did we lose you again?
Did you see something?
Oh my gosh. It feels amazing in here. Or maybe it's just because it's so ridiculously hot out there. I know, I should have wore a tank top today. Like a men's white tank top. There you go. Would that look good on me? You could have pulled off a white tank top today.
I did have a white tank
She
top.
does look super cute in those. There's my cute girls. I swear. Lily, you just get more amazing each year.
So boring. I did.
Do you like the Ratatouille ride? Alright, which is better, Ratatouille or Frozen?
Ratatouille.
You like Ratatouille more than Frozen ride?
Yeah.
Is it because you don't like the drop in Frozen?
So that's why she hasn't wanted to go with Frozen.
That's what she will never go on Tiana
Yeah, no.
unless we scar her for life.
Yeah, never mind. Really didn't try to do that.
Pour le repas idéal. Coq au vin? Non. A simple omelet? Too simple. What? Mais oui, that's it!
I look like crap right now. Tiffany, she still looks great. Lil, adorable as always, but yeah. My hair is horrible.
Mirror right here.
Well, I guess that way women can check to make sure the water didn't ruin their makeup.
Yeah, maybe. Here.
Out of all the restaurants I've been to on Disney property, that has to be one of the worst ones. Tip, you look like you're having a hard time
No,
there.
they're all blistering hot. Feel this, seriously.
What? That's cold.
Seriously? Oh no, now it's cold. No, feel this one.
That's lukewarm.
Yeah, I know, but they're never mind. This isn't that
You lose.
cold. I want to find something colder later.
All right. So now let's go ahead and let's go into one of our favorite areas. Do you know where? Where do you think? I'm talking about the AP lounge. They better.
They got rid
I
of
want my
it.
Disney nuts.
They keep promising stuff, but then they get rid of it after a few weeks.
So this is pretty cool. No more walls at all. It is, but there's also no more walls up.
Turkey. Turkey. Oh, yeah. I'm so free.
I hope not.
I'm
There
so
are a lot of original elements to this area that I hope still stay, but only time will tell, as Disney has taught us many times over. So this was the annual pass holder lounge, and it looks pretty darn empty. So let's go. It is no longer an annual pass holder lounge, but just a regular lounge. No more nuts, no more Zephyr Hills water, no more special tea,
No tea. Free hair.
no more Genie.
Well, that doesn't take
Wait, my hair
Nope.
tea too.
It's a nice cool-off station.
And it looks like the afternoon Disney storm is getting ready to roll in. Which means that we're going to be hitting up a couple more countries and then heading out for the night. Out of all the shirts in Disney, I think that one is best for Tiffany. It's the perfect pink color, perfect little image of a cat. You don't like that one?
No, I do.
Well, it's definitely...
Oh, and Dixie.
Yeah, it's coming down now.
Yay.
Well, unfortunately, it looks like our day is slowly coming to an end with the rain coming. This is the pluses and minuses of Florida life. You never know when a storm is just going to appear or for how long it'll be. This could be a 5-minute storm. It could be an hour storm. You just never know. Well, you look so awesome over there.
I'll give you a bump to play. She's just enjoying it.
She's just enjoying it.
I think this all.
How do you zoom in? I wonder.
So guys, this more than likely is going to be the end of the video. It's raining us out. It's not going to stop for a while.
We get that long here, but I did say it was around 1.
Yeah, and there you go. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. We are doing 2 different videos. One is a D23 short on our take on that. Also, I just uploaded a little short of Lily playing in the rain. This takes me back to childhood days when you weren't afraid to go out and play in the rain. But guys, I hope you...
I'm not afraid. I just don't want my face on right now.
Really?
I didn't put all the pretty stuff on. I think it was just around the house that we used to do that. So I could just easily go home and rinse it right off. Yeah. Look at her.
I know. But guys, thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed today's videos. And truthfully, it was a lot of fun getting back over to Epcot again. Just having fun, relaxing, and not worrying about anything. So please, enjoy yourselves, enjoy every day, and make the most of it. Right?
She is playing on Moana.
I think that for next year, we have 3 goals that we want to do. Goal number 1, we want to renew Disney again, even though there's going to be price hikes. Goal number 2, we want to renew Universal and add the Epic Universe Park. Right? And goal number 3, this is a goal that I would like to accomplish. And I know Tiffany may or may not feel the same, but I wouldn't mind being part of D23 next year. That's right. Road trip! No, really, that would be pretty cool to go over there and do D23. I would be pretty stoked about that. So we have goals set up, okay? And in order to accomplish our goals, it takes 2 things. 1, it takes us creating these great videos for you guys and improving and making them better. And 2, it involves you guys just watching and just enjoying it. That's basically it, right? It's a pretty simple recipe for success for us. And we just want to go ahead and make the best videos we can. And that's all we want to do, is just enjoy it too. So guys, thank you so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed everything. And please like and subscribe. And we'll see you in our next video. When will that be?
We're planning on doing something. I forgot what it was. It was for her to do the come back to yourself.
Yes. Well, that's going to be on next Sunday, actually. So next Sunday, we're going to be doing a special mall video. But we're not going to tell too much about it. I love Squirrel Brain Beauty. Look, she's cute, she's fun, and
I also want to do some driving.
yes. That is gonna be fun. I'm gonna be getting her behind the wheel, and she's
Both
gonna
have done
be.
that today, but it ain't happening.
Oh, hey, no, I
knew
You
it was
just
gonna
got
rain in the
distracted by a
afternoon.
squirrel.
I did.
How am I supposed to let you drive today when you got distracted by a squirrel? There's like a shiny red Corvette going by.
Actually, I probably would.
Please save me.
Look at her dancing.
Look, rentatiffany.com, check it out.
cookies.
You can have your own Tiffany model. Guys, with that being said, thank you so much, and we'll see you in our next video. And now, for Lil.
No.